now, Mike Shamon here, and today I'm going to show you guys some of the best places to get free stock images that you can use for your websites. And this should come with a disclaimer, because I want to let you guys know that I was working for an agency before and somebody had used a free stock image, or so they thought. Maybe they got it off Google Images, I don't know. And anyways, the dentist that was using the website got sued and had to pay out like $10,000 via insurance. So be careful using stock images. That's your disclaimer, okay? Be careful using free stock images, I should say. That's your disclaimer. The first site for stock images is Pexels, okay? This is going to be a good site for stock images. A lot of people are uploading stuff to here. It's free, and then you can donate to the people if you wanted to. A lot of nice free stuff over here on Pexels. All right, the next one's going to be Pixabay. Of course, this one's popular too. And again, free stock images here. A lot of nice stock images that you can search for. You can see what they have. The next one is going to be freephotos.cc. I've used this one a couple of times for a few different things, but they have a few different ones the other ones don't have. And all these stock image sites have the same thing in common. Like there are repeat images on them, as well as images that are exclusive to those own platforms. All right, so you just got to look around to see what you can find in what you're looking for. The next one is going to be freeimages.com. This one I haven't really used that much, but they have a lot of nice images on here, and categories out there. And of course, all these stock image sites will also have a link to iStock and all these other different categories there. They'll try to get you an upsell on items there. But when you want to click them and download them, it's a good process to go through. You can see you can tip the person who took the photographer there. All right, the next one's going to be Canva. Now you can get a pro account with Canva, or you can get a free account. So if you roll over the free, you can see it says free right down here in the corners. So Canva is a good one. It's free to use, and they have templates that you can use them with. So that's pretty cool. Is that you can, like, if you use them for Instagram or social media, or if you're trying to find out like a Facebook post, Facebook covers, flyers, YouTube stuff, they have all this stuff that you can do with different photo templates there. So if you're using it for like Instagram and trying to make a bunch of posts at one time, you can do that here with Canva, because they provide you with free images. The next one I'm going to say, but it's not a free one, and it's because I have a portfolio on here, but Shutterstock. If you want to check my portfolio out, go ahead, click the link below. If you want to become a contributor to Shutterstock and upload your photos there, you can check that out as well. And hey, go ahead and check out my Shutterstock videos that I'm doing. I'm uploading 50 images per month for the next 3 months. See how it increases my sales on stock photography images. So go ahead and follow me on that journey. Click the link right here, and I'll see y'all in the next video.